Last night, my doorbell rang at 3:11 a.m. When I checked the camera, there was a woman standing completely still, facing sideways, smiling at nothing. I didn't open the door. I watched. She slowly turned her head toward the camera, except her eyes didn't move. They stayed fixed where she'd been staring. Her neck twisted, then kept twisting, bending past human movement. The smile widened until her lips tore. She whispered, "Let me in. I found you." It wasn't through the speaker. It whispered inside my ear. My phone vibrated, a notification from my own number. "Don't look at her." I backed away, but the ringing started again, furious, non-stop. When I finally forced myself to look, she wasn't at the door anymore. Footsteps echoed behind me. Slow, heavy, dragging breath. I hid in the bathroom, hands shaking. My phone buzzed again. Video call from my number. I answered. The camera showed me standing outside the bathroom door, smiling wrong, head tilted too far. A voice behind the door whispered, "We switched places."